Good afternoon, my name is Jalen and I'm here with
Miguel Ponce.
and we're going to be teaching you guys how to make fried rice. Okay, so your first step is you want your pan to be hot. Okay, then you want to put oil alongside the pan and make sure that it is covered. So you can, first you want to put your eggs on and cook them, not all the way because you still have to cook it with the rice. Okay, and next what you want to do is put your rice in after your eggs are a little done. After you put your rice in, you want to make sure you have enough oil in the pan to fry the rice. So, and now you can add any vegetables you'd like. In this instance, we have corn and peas. Now you want to let the rice sit for a minute and brown on the bottom. Okay, the next step will be putting in the soy sauce. You can put your preferred amount in there, but keep in mind that the soy sauce is naturally very salty. Just a little extra tip, day-old rice will be a little better because of, because what?
Because if you give fresh rice, the starch will cling together and not, it will stick all together. That's
All
not
right,
what you want.
and day-old rice is a little better with that. The starch is more, what, gone?
Yes, the starch is more gone. It's just taken away.
So yeah. You don't have to have day-old rice, but it just makes it a little
Easier.
better. You want to add your seasonings like pepper, but just keep in mind that once again the soy sauce is a little salty, so just keep in mind what extra salt that you add to the dish. After you let it sit like you did the first time, but with the soy sauce, you finish and you should have something that looks around like this right here. You can turn it off. And after you're finished cooking and plated, this is what it should look like. And you can add any type of protein you want, like steak, chicken, shrimp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed.